Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform repairs safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. The dryer drum belt is the component that rotates the drum, allowing the heated air to dry the clothes more evenly. The belt goes around the entire drum and is looped onto a drive pulley on the motor which drives the belt, and around an idler pulley which applies tension to the belt. If the drum is overloaded, or if a support roller, glide, bearing, or pulley fails, the belt may begin to slip. Over time, the belt can also fray and eventually break. When the belt breaks, you may hear the motor running, but the drum will not rotate. On some models, a broken belt will activate a switch that prevents the motor from running. Drum belts are usually unique to each dryer model. You should enter the full model number of your gas or electric dryer in our website search bar to find the specific belt you need. Before you replace the belt, be sure to unplug the dryer's power cord. To reach the belt, you will need to disassemble the appliance. This will require removing or lifting and supporting the top panel. Depending on the model, you may need to detach the control panel first. With the top panel out of the way, you will need to remove one or more front panels. You will often need to disconnect a door switch wire connector before detaching the front panel. Some dryers will have a bulkhead behind the front panel that supports the drum. Remove any applicable braces and disconnect any sensor wire connectors. Then uninstall the front bulkhead. Now reach under the drum and, if still intact, detach the old belt from the idler pulley and the drive pulley. Then slide it over the front of the drum to remove. Some dryer models have a rear access panel that will make it easier to remove and align the belt on the pulleys. Install the new belt by positioning it on the drum. Most dryers require the grooved side of the belt to be facing inward. Loop the belt on the idler pulley and the drive pulley in a zigzag formation. You can rotate the drum to help align the belt. With the new belt in place, reassemble the dryer by aligning the drum on the front bulkhead, if applicable. Then secure with the mounting screws. Reconnect any sensor wires and replace any braces or supports. Reinstall the front panel or panels, making sure to reconnect the door switch wire connector if required. Reinstall the top panel and control panel as necessary. With the reassembly complete, plug the power cord back in, and your dryer should be ready for use.